Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shafi'i. I'm one of the member of Iqra Foundation. At the moment, I'm in Iqra Mosque, Sydney. I just present at the workshop, the prophetic peacebuilding, presented by Mr. Nurwanto. This lecture was very beautiful and giving so many beneficial personally for myself as the Jama'ah, as the member of this masjid, and giving and following the lecture today, which is delivered smoothly by Mr. Nurwanto. And I, as attendant, found out the way the topic and the peace building that delivered by brother Nurwanto, following by the sample of our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and also how the lecture, how the speech interact with the audience, and not only the speaker who talk in the front of the audience, but the member and the audience can be giving some example, and so have good interaction during the speech. So I found this program really beneficial for the Ummah, inshallah, and also especially for the Jama'ah of the Masjid Iqra, or the Iqra Mosque at Sydney. I wish, my hope in future there is more program, the community service from at the moment, which is from University Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta, that giving some really good work to the community. Inshallah, we hope there is better way and also better program in the future. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.